Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel. And today we've got a really exciting video. If you're passionate about streamlining your workflows and saving valuable time, you're in the right place. We're diving into the alternatives to Zapier that can supercharge your automation game. We'll look at the pros and cons of Zapier already, and then we'll also look at some existing platforms that are similar to Zapier, but maybe offer some other alternatives that Zapier don't offer. But before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our content. We're here to help you stay ahead in the world of automation, and subscribing is the best way to stay in the loop. Okay, so let's go right ahead and start with today's video. So what actually is Zapier? Well, if you're not familiar with it, Zapier is a web-based automation tool that connects your favorite apps and services. What this does, it allows you to automate tasks without having to write code or rely on any developers to build any kind of integration. It's quite easy to use, and anyone can build their own workflows with just a few clicks. The way Zapier works is you'll need something called a trigger, and the trigger is an event that starts an automation. So for example, a trigger could be a new email landed in your inbox, or a new lead in your HubSpot, or a new post on social media. Once you've chosen a trigger, you need to choose an action. So once a trigger is set up, an action is then the event that Zapier will perform after it's triggered. So for example, an action could be sending a Slack message, creating a new task in Asana, or adding a new contact to MailChimp. Once you've chosen a trigger and an action, you can test your Zap and turn it on. Zapier will then start automating that task for you. So for example, you can write an automation in Zapier to send a Slack message whenever you receive a new Gmail in email. So a new email landing in your Gmail is the trigger, and the action is sending a Slack message. Or you can create a new task in Asana whenever a new lead is generated in HubSpot. So again, the new lead that's been generated in HubSpot is the trigger, and the action is a task is creating in Asana. You can add a new contact whenever someone signs up for your newsletter on your website, or you can post an article to your WordPress blog whenever you publish a new article on Medium. You can also save all your attachments from Gmail to Dropbox, or back up your Google Drive to OneDrive. Zapier is really powerful, and it can help save you a lot of time in automating your work. It's quite easy to use even if you have no coding experience. Zapier in general is a really great option to consider. So Zapier is good for businesses of all sizes, from small businesses to large enterprises as well. It's especially well suited for businesses that rely on multiple apps and services, as it can help them automate their workflows and save a lot of time. Some specific examples, however, include small businesses. So Zapier can help small businesses automate tasks like sending invoices, following up with leads, posting to social media, and this can free up a lot of business owners to focus on more strategic tasks. Zapier can also help e-commerce businesses to automate tasks like processing orders, sending shipping notifications, updating inventory levels. This can help e-commerce businesses improve their efficiency and their customer service as well. Zapier can also help marketing agencies to automate tasks like sending out newsletters, publishing social media posts, and tracking leads. Again, this helps marketing agencies to save time and be a lot more productive with other things as well. Zapier can also help SaaS businesses to automate tasks like onboarding new customers, creating support tickets, and sending out product updates. This can help SaaS businesses to provide a better customer experience. And lastly, Zapier can help enterprise businesses as well to automate tasks like they're integrating their CRM system with their marketing platform, or syncing their sales data with their accounting software. This can help enterprise businesses to improve their efficiency and their productivity as well. Overall, Zapier is a really versatile tool that can be used by businesses of all sizes to automate their workflows. Some specific examples of how businesses are using Zapier is, for example, Dropbox. Dropbox use Zapier to automate tasks like sending new customers a welcome email, or creating a new task in Asana when a new file is uploaded to Dropbox. HubSpot will use it to automate tasks like creating a new lead in HubSpot whenever someone signs up to a free trial. And MailChimp will use it to automate tasks like adding a new subscriber to MailChimp whenever someone signs up for a newsletter. So these are just a few examples of how businesses are using Zapier, and Zapier can be used to automate a wide variety of tasks. So it's worth considering if you're looking for a way to improve the efficiency of your business. So some specific benefits of using Zapier include the time-saving aspect. So Zapier can help you save time by automating repetitive tasks, and this will free up yourself to focus on more important things like growing your business or spending time with family and friends or building new relationships with clients as well. Zapier can also help you improve the efficiency of your business because it streamlines your workflows, and this can lead to an increased productivity and profitability. Zapier can help reduce the amount of errors by automating tasks that are prone to human error, and this can lead to improved accuracy and customer satisfaction. Zapier can help increase your productivity by allowing you to focus on more important tasks, and this can lead to increased revenue and growth for your business. And Zapier can help you improve the scalability of your business by making it easier to add new apps and services to your workflow. This can help you grow your business without having to worry about your infrastructure. So for example, a small business owner can use Zapier to automate the process of sending out invoices and following up with leads. This frees up the business owner to focus on more important things like meeting with clients and developing new products. And while Zapier is a powerful tool, it does have some drawbacks. Here are a few. The first one being cost. So Zapier can be expensive, especially if you need to automate a lot of tasks or use premium features. Zapier can be a little bit complex to use, especially if you're not familiar with the ways of how automation works. It's not always reliable. Sometimes Zaps can fail to trigger or may not work as expected, and Zaps can't automate all tasks. Some tasks may require custom code or different integration platform. If you need to automate a complex task, you may need to write custom code, and this can be a bit time consuming, especially if you're not a developer. And overall, Zapier is really powerful, but it's important to be aware of these drawbacks before you decide to use it. If you're not sure if Zapier is right for you, there are other few integrations that you may want to consider. And we'll go over some of these integrations today. It's also important to note that Zapier is constantly evolving and improving. So Zapier is adding new features and integrations all the time, and they're working to address sort of the drawbacks that users have reported. But yes, there are some alternative platforms to Zapier. Each have their own benefits and each have their own drawbacks as well. The first one we're going to talk about is the HubSpot Operations Hub, which is an automation platform that's part of HubSpot CRM suite. It's a good choice for businesses if you are already using the HubSpot CRM. But the HubSpot Operations Hub is a suite of tools that supercharges the CRM with tools that make data management easier, more efficient, and more accessible for everyone at your company. It includes improved integrations, so connecting to all of your favorite apps and services so you can keep all your data in place. It also helps you to clean and organize your data so you can be confident that it's accurate and up to date. They have a very flexible business process automation, so it allows you to automate your business processes so you can save time and focus more on important tasks. And it also helps you prepare for data analysis and reporting so you can make better decisions for your business as well. Operations Hub is designed to help businesses of all sizes to align around clean and connected data, keep processes efficient at scale, and empower operations teams to spend less time on reactive data tasks and more time on business strategy. Operations Hub gives your operations team the tools that they need to be more strategic and more proactive as well. A specific example might be an e-commerce company using the Operations Hub to automate the process of processing orders, sending shipping notifications, and updating inventory levels as well. This has helped the companies to improve its efficiency and their customer service. To look at their pricing, you just want to go into the price tab here. And you can see their price list. So HubSpot has about 4 pricing plans. Three pricing plans. They do have a free version, and this free plan includes very basic sort of data sync and quality tools, as well as the ability to create custom workflows. Then you have the starter plan, and this is around sort of £17 a month, and it includes all the features of the free plan plus advanced data quality tools, as well as email and in-chat support. Then you have the professional plan, which is a little bit more pricier at around £702 a month, and includes all of the features of the professional plan plus dedicated support, custom training, and a lot more as well. You can also choose to purchase Operations Hub as part of the CRM suite, which will include all of HubSpot CRM tools plus Operations Hub, and the CRM suite starts at about £18 a month. And this is sort of billed monthly, or you can pay upfront as well. Which pricing plan that you choose will depend on your specific needs. If you're not sure which plan to choose, you can always contact HubSpot for a free pricing consultation, or you can even just try it with their free tools and see how that looks for you as well. Overall, HubSpot Operations Hub is a powerful tool that helps businesses of all sizes to improve their data management, business process automation, and data preparation. It's a good choice for businesses that are looking for a centralized way to manage their data and automate their business processes as well. So the next automation tool suite that we're going to talk about is Microsoft Power Automate. So Microsoft Power Automate is a cloud-based automation platform that's part of the Microsoft 365 suite. So it's a good choice for businesses that already use Microsoft 365 products. But yes, Microsoft Power Automate is a cloud-based automation platform and allows you to create and automate workflows between your favorite apps and services without having to write code. So all very similar to what we've seen with Zapier and HubSpot as well. But with Power Automate, you can automate your tasks like sending email notifications when new data is added, for example, to a SharePoint list, or saving all of your attachments from Gmail to Dropbox, automatically generating invoices in Wave whenever you receive a payment in PayPal. It's a really powerful tool that can help you save time and automate your work. It's easy to use even if you have no coding experience. So you can save time, improve efficiency, reduce errors, as Power Automate can help you automate your tasks. And it's also really good for your scalability. So it can help you improve the scalability of your business because it makes it easier to add new apps and services to your workflow. This can help you grow your business without having to worry about your infrastructure as well. In terms of their pricing, if you go into their pricing plan, they do have two pricing plans. They have the Power Automate Premium, and then they have the Power Automate Process. With the Power Automate Premium, you have unlimited workflows, increased storage, advanced features like the AI Builder as well, and custom connectors. And with the Power Automate Process, a little bit more pricier, but it's all the features of this plan, plus the Power Apps, Power BI, and the ability to create custom connectors as well. Which pricing plan is right for you will depend on your specific needs and requirements. If you are not sure which plan to use, you can try. We can try it for free. With the free plan, you get up to, I think, 500 flows a month and 10 MB storage. So it's a bit restricted, but you can try it for free and see if it meets some of your needs. And then you can also book in a call with the Microsoft team as well to get a bit more of an understanding of what Microsoft Power Automate can do for you. And if you need more features, you can always upgrade to a paid plan at any time. But yeah, Power Automate is also a really good option as well, especially if you already are using a lot of Microsoft 365 tools. And lastly, we have Zoho Flow. So Zoho Flow is a cloud-based automation platform that's part of the Zoho suite of business applications. So if you're already using Zoho products, it's a really good choice already to kind of add to your Zoho collection. But Zoho Flow, again, just like the other apps that we've seen, allows you to connect your favorite apps and services and automate repetitive tasks. With Zoho Flow, you can do all of the standard automations that we talked about, like posting a new article to a blog when a new product is added, backing up your Google Drive to Zoho Docs, automatically generating invoices whenever you receive a payment, and things like that. It's very easy to use, even if you have no coding experience, and you can automate workflows using a drag and drop interface as well. You can improve efficiency, increase your productivity, improve your scalability, all with Zoho Flow, as it can help you save time by doing the automated repetitive tasks, and you're free to do whatever it is better strategically for your business. Overall, it's very powerful that can help businesses of all sizes to save time, improve efficiency, and reduce errors. So definitely worth considering if you are looking for a way to improve the performance of your business. So when it comes to pricing, you have the standard and professional. They do have a free trial as well that allows you to connect up to 5 flows a month and about, I think, 100 tasks a month. And they do have the standard plan and they have the professional plan. With the standard plan, you're looking at about £8 a month, and includes up to 20 workflows per month and about 1,000 tasks a day. With the professional, you have a bit more. It's about £19 a month, and you have about 50 workflows with 3,000 tasks per month as well. So you can choose to purchase Zoho Flow as part of Zoho One, which is a suite of 50 business applications, and Zoho One starts about £35 a month. Whichever pricing plan is right for you will depend on your specific needs and requirements. If you are not sure which plan to choose, you can always try the free plan and see if it meets your needs. If you need more features, you can upgrade to a paid plan at any time. So it's really important that you consider all the factors when choosing an automation platform. These factors include the features that the automation platform is offering. So what features are important to you? It's good to kind of make a list of features that you need to have and features that maybe would be nice to have. You also want to consider how easy the platform is to use. Especially if you're not a developer, you will need a platform that's easy to use and doesn't require any coding knowledge. If any of the platforms that you're considering does come with a free trial or a free plan, definitely I would 100% recommend taking it. Even if it is limited, at least you'll be able to have hands-on experience with the interface and with the basic functions like creating an automation, so you'll have a better understanding as to if this platform is easy to use for you or not. Consider how much the platform costs. Make sure to compare the different price points before making a decision. And you want to make sure that the platform integrates with the apps and services that you actually use. This is really important if you want to automate your tasks across multiple platforms. And can the platform scale with your business? If you plan to grow your business, you need a platform that can scale with you. You want to think about what kind of support does the platform offer, as if you have any problems, you need to be able to get help really quickly and easily as well. Once you've considered all of these factors, you can start comparing different automation platforms. Definitely read reviews, compare features, try out the platforms before making a decision. And that's a wrap for today's video on Zapier alternatives. I hope you find this information helpful in your quest for automated solutions. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and it helps us create more valuable content for you. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.